In this session, we're still busy with stock, sundry issues and receipts, but I'm going to take you through the setup first. So we are going to look at the company details option. So I've said utility, setup, company details, and then we're going to go across to the control number option. We have recently added the sundry issue and receipt option here. So first of all, you've got to click the box to say you would like to be able to make changes. Now there's two options you have to look at. You have to specify what must the next number be that has to be used when you process a sundry issues or receipt transaction. And then you have to tell us what the prefix, or tell IQ what the prefix must be. My prefix will be sundry issues and receipts. So SIR, if I in other words see a prefix SIR, then I know it will be a sundry issue and receipt transaction. Once you've completed that, you can click on accept and yes, and that concludes the setup of company details while busy with sundry issues and receipts.